Assalamualaikum and hi everybody, it's me Dr. Ija. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can add URL on your course page in Moodle. So as usual, log in into your Moodle and then go to your course page and turn editing on. And go to the topic where you want to add the URL. In this case, I have already a topic on my course page, which is adding course resources, which is URL. And next, as usual, click add an activity or resource, where it will direct you to the list of all activities and resources that you have in the Moodle. Okay, so since we want to add a URL is under resources. So here we have the URL. Yeah, you want to add a new URL. So just click add new URL and it will direct you to the page of where you need to add a new URL into your course page. Yeah. So the first part of adding a new URL is the general part, where it's compulsory for you to write the name of the URL or the name for the URL that you want to upload, and also the external URL. So today I'm going to add my YouTube video on inquiry-based learning. So the name of this URL is YouTube video on inquiry-based learning. Okay, and I need to add the external URL. So maybe I can choose a link, or if you want to add the link from YouTube, for example. Okay, let's say I'm opening the YouTube, yeah, and let's say I go to my channel and I have this video on inquiry-based learning and integrating technology in inquiry-based learning. Or you can find any other video on YouTube, right? So just click share and you just copy the link. Okay, so now you go back to your Moodle and you just paste the link that you have copied from the YouTube, or not necessarily from the YouTube. If you got a link from any other website as well, you can copy the link of the website or maybe the Google Drive, and then you just insert it into the external URL part under adding a new URL. Next, you need to add a description into your URL. So I'm going to write this URL link will direct you to the YouTube video on inquiry-based learning. Okay, please watch the video. So please add description so that your participants will know what they need to do with the link that you have given to them on your course page. So I want it to be bold and I want it to be large, yeah, so that everybody can easily read my description. So don't forget to click on display description on course page so that whatever that you have written on the description part will be shown on your course page. The rest, you just leave it by default. Don't click anything and then just save and return to course. And after you have clicked save and return to course, it will direct you back to your course page. And on the course page, what you can see now is that you have already added the URL link or the URL, yeah, into all the resources that you want your participants to read or to go to. Okay, in this case, I have a YouTube video. So when I click this URL, yeah, YouTube video on inquiry-based learning, so it will direct me to the YouTube, and automatically the video that I've uploaded will be played. Okay, so go back. So that is how we can add URL into the course page. Okay, let's say just now I added the URL from the YouTube. You can also add URL from a Google Drive. Yeah, let's say your your PowerPoint or your notes are too big. You want it to be inserted in the Google Drive, and you just share the link from the Google Drive. Or let's say you have a video, a very large video. You want it to be you insert it or you install it in Google Drive. So you want to share the link of a Google Drive into your participants. So you can also add the URL of the Google Drive into your course page. So I'm going to show you now. So add an activity or resource. Go to resources. Choose adding URL. Okay. So now my URL is about recorded video lecture. I have recorded a video lecture on inquiry-based learning. So where do I get the URL? I will now open my Google Drive. I've already uploaded my notes. Okay, recorded video in inquiry-based learning. So what I need to do is just get the link of this URL. Okay, I will copy the link. Done. And I will go back to my page of adding a new URL, and I will just paste it here. And now I'm going to add descriptions about the URL that I have inserted. So this link contains the recorded video on the lecture of inquiry-based learning. Okay, so this link contains the recorded video on the lecture of inquiry-based learning. So bold, and I would like to have it in a large font. Okay, and don't forget to click display description on course page so that whatever written on your description will appear on your course page for your participants to read. The rest, just leave it by default and go to the very bottom of this page, click on save and return to course. So now it will direct back to your course page, and you can see that you have already added another URL into your course page, but this time is in the Google Drive link. The first one, I added a link from YouTube. The second one, I added a link from the Google Drive. So you have if you have a link from a website, you can also add the URL into adding URL. So I hope you'll be able to add the URL on your course page in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video.